Software Development Life Cycle. Short name is SDLC. Software Development Life Cycle. It consists of the below phases. In software development life cycle, there are many steps, just like requirement analysis, requirement phase, analysis phase, design phase, coding phase, testing phase, and delivery and maintenance phase. These are the phases in the software development life cycle. Software development life cycle has phases that are requirement phase, analysis phase, design phase, coding phase, testing phase, delivery and maintenance phase. In software development life cycle, there is a point that PIN. What is PIN? PIN, it means project initiation or project intimation notes. That is the short name of the PIN. PIN, what is a PIN? It is an email. What is a PIN? It is an email will be prepared by the project manager where it contains the start date and end date. In PIN, a project has a start date and end date of the project. The mail will be sent to the client and high level management. The PIN indicates the start of the project. In the SDLC model, first phase is requirement phase. In requirement phase, there are the many roles in the requirement phase, as like business analysts, engagement manager, project managers, whose responsibility and roles in the requirement phase. In requirement phase, business analyst, engagement manager, and project managers are involved. Business analyst is responsible to collect all the requirements in a requirement template document. Requirement template documents, is short name is that RTD. Once all the requirements are collected in the requirement template, then they will sign off the requirement. In the sign off document is known as SRS. SRS, it means software or system requirement specification or business requirement specification. That short name is BRS, and the another its name is named that FRS, functional requirement specification. Business requirement specification or functional requirement specification. Once the SRS document is baseline, the business analyst that is responsible to write the POC. POC, it means proof of concept. This is a document. SRS is also a document that is a proof of POC that is the responsible for business analyst. During the POC, the business analyst is responsible to develop the prototype and it will be presented to the client. Prototype. It is a rough and rapidly developed sample application. Prototype is a rough and rapidly developed sample application. It does not contain any of the actual functionalities. It simply describes how the project is going to be and how it is going to display. The main purpose of the prototype is to collect all the requirement properly and also to understand all the requirements properly. In the prototypes, this is also for understanding and proper requirements arrangements. Then after, roles of engagement manager. What is the responsibility of engagement manager? To maintain the rapport or relation between the clients and the company. That is the responsibility of the engagement manager. He will also concentrate on the extra requirements, extra cost and extra time of the project. That is the responsible for the engagement manager. Project manager's responsibility. Project manager's responsible to monitor the phases and helps the both business analyst and engagement managers to complete their activity properly. Analysis phase. Analyzing and the requirements that are the analysis phase. There are in the requirement phase that have the roles high level management, middle level management, and the project manager and the business analysts, that they are all responsible and have to give in roles to the analysis phase. All the above rules will be assembled for a meeting and they will perform the below activities. Feasibility study, technology selection, resource planning, hardware and software plans. That are the activities step by step happen in the analysis phase.